Hello guys, welcome back. So finally Xiaomi Mi A1 has got another OTA update of Android 8.1 with the security patch of June 5th. And this is the stable OTA update, not the beta update. And in this video I will tell you some of its cool features after Oreo 8.1 in the Mi A1. So watch the video till the end. And before we start, my name is Emi and you are watching Android Power. So starting with the launcher, and this is the updated launcher version 3, and in the previous build of 8.0 we can saw dock in the bottom of the launcher, and now Android 8.1 they have removed the dock. Now you can see the full wallpaper and full screen, and they have removed the dock. Also they have changed some icons, and icons are now a bit smaller than before, and they have added some more rows and columns. And if you guys have noticed, they have added Google Keep in this update. And the next feature is about notification panel. Notification shade has become transparent, giving a slight peek of what's behind it. Now you can see wallpaper behind it. Also you will notice that the notification panel and other things like some screen overlays have a slight tint of the colors of the wallpaper you have. This is possible because of the new wallpapers colors API, which lets apps send color information to system UI. And the next feature is all about adaptive screen. Theme will change according to your wallpaper. For example, if you choose dark wallpaper, the system UI will become dark, and if you choose light, it will become light, and it will behave according to your wallpapers. And the power menu is also an area which you would immediately notice the visual changes. Now it's in vertical style, and it has its own animation. In my opinion, it looks cool, and it have a slight tint of the color of the wallpaper you have. Next feature of Xiaomi Mi A1 in Android 8.1 is the search bar option at the top of the setting. Unlike the button present earlier, has now blown into a full-fledged search bar. Now you can search for any setting you want, and also you can clear the history of that as well. Now moving forward to next feature, device running Android 8.1 can now display the battery level of Bluetooth connected devices such as headphones, speakers, etc. The battery status is visible in the notification panel tied to the Bluetooth icon. The Bluetooth menu also shows the battery percentage of the devices, and this is the cool feature of Android 8.1. And the next feature most of the guys have not noticed yet is the another subtle change you will notice in Android 8.1 is in the status bar. The icon displayed in the status bar have now rounded corners. So these are the new features of Android 8.1 in our Xiaomi Mi A1. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my work. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, I am signing off. Bye bye.